Okay, people. So today I'm going to do a video called Where Did I Go Wrong? Unfortunately, hold on, let me pause that. Unfortunately, I blew my PA account. Just being very emotional and not controlling myself after I actually was up on the day. So I figured I might as well record this video and call it Where Did I Go Wrong? So I can try to avoid these things in the future. And so we're gonna start here. I'm gonna probably just jump all around. I'm gonna try to make this short as possible, not too crazy. I just want to review setups and then show where I went wrong. So I started off great. Price closed above here. Let's just because we have it paused. Price price closed above here. So what I was looking for was a retracement. As you can see, this is where price closed at above this level. And I was looking for the retracement back into here. Um, but because we were bearish, I wanted to see some actual conviction. So for me, I did get waited for us to close above here. And now I was looking for the retracement back in here to get real confirmation. And I got that, I believe, and I took it up for a quick scalp. So let's see. And let's just look at my face. Look how yeah. And I think at the tape too, I was looking at book map. Look, look. Got in late. Well, actually, I'm waiting for confirmation for the close above here, this high, and that's where I got in at. That was a confirmation for me, and I did FOMO, but I did like to see that liquidity sitting there. Yeah, boom. So, quick first one. You can hear me acknowledging that it wasn't the greatest entry. Really should have had my stop below here once I did. Once I did enter, I really should have my stop below here, but I'd rather get the confirmation. See, this wasn't confirmation. I could have entered. I said in the video I really should have entered here, but it didn't confirm above this high yet. So why even bother doing that? So this was the right confirmation. Now I could have very well just went above here and retraced all the way back down and took me out and then came up. But that's not what happened. And I wrote it out and I was just looking at bookmap as well. You can see we started getting liquidity stacking up below here when I did enter. Started stacking here and it was getting light here. So that was the reason for that one. Now let's go. Now we just see watch. That's why I took it. And let's just scroll through. Looking for my next trade. Looking for my next trade. Looking for my next trade. I was very. I will say that I was very patient. Very patient. Very. Okay. Boom. Next trade. Now I took that and now I'm just sitting waiting. And now I observe this because we technically are still in a bearish trend, as you can see. From 4K perspective, we failed to close above this high on this run up. So to me, this entire leg is a failure, but this is really just a retest back into that area to now come down here. And we did slightly, actually, no, we didn't close, but we still hold on. Okay. So, whoa, what was that? Oh yeah. So we failed to close here. So now I'm stalking because if we look here, here we close below here. So now I'm looking for the retracing here, and because we are bearish, I would more or less like to see us reject here, but if we don't, then I'll be looking here. And this is me before. I don't remember where I got in at, so let's see where I got in at on this one. Okay, if we close below here, a little aggressive, but it's close enough to close there. And this is the one I wanted to hold longer actually, because I felt I wanted to hold, take two off here and then have a runner down to like 50, 60, 50 area. Well, 50 actually. So just because of book map. Um, so yeah, that was there, but I was fine. I was fine. Comfortable with the instant gratification. Said it again. Look, I'm locked in. Now, now we enter where it went wrong. Boom, look, it runs. Runs. I was looking down to get in here. Right? Bang, 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 bang. Now we enter where it went wrong. Where it went wrong. And yeah, and look, right here. I went to check to see how close I was to getting past the trailing drawdown threshold on my PA. And that is the first step of it going wrong. Worried about my TP, right? My take profit. That's the first thing I went wrong at. Now look, see, looking, 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 looking. Right now, I'm looking for longs, and I think I take my first one right here because there's short term demand in here. I really should have been in. Actually, I did get in the right spot. Yeah, right there. But I really should have waited for the retest, and or I really should have just put my stop down here and not here. So that's why I messed up there. I should have. That is my protective spot, and I think I did do that. We tested, and then I was waiting, waiting. See, this to me isn't a bad trade. Entry not the best, but really should have been. If I soon as I seen that right here, I should have been aggressive. Break even right now, because that's a failure. That is a failure. Or even if I don't go to break even there, if we close back in this range, I get out. I should have. Oh, sorry, I should have been out. So, first one, we're almost guaranteed not to hit that, and we do. And I really should have kept my stop here. I can't remember if it comes down here or not. It might have, but I really should have had. Let's see, let's see, skip through. Yeah, so I took the L there, right? But now I'm fixated on up here because I could see it on the tape. Uh, and realistically, my stop should have been here now. See, and right here, gonna chase again. Now this is where see right here. Should have did that. I really should have had my stop. Once we got down, Here, this was the deeper retracement in here. My stop really should be right here. This is where my stop should be at. Right there, technically. But I'm so too big size. So once we got down that area, that is my either lower my size or I put my stop there and live and die with the trade. But I didn't do that. So what do I do? Bad trade location. Watch again. Now look at my face. Look how concerned I look now all of a sudden. I know it's not because I know it ain't. That wasn't a good trade. It gave me a chance to get out. Boom. Look, said I was gonna chill out, and what did I do? Not. And all I had to do is chill out. So guess what I do? Down $30. Guess what I do? I see this. I know this is wrong. Pause right there. Pause right there. Look at this, man. Look at this. Did we close above this high? No, we didn't. Why would I take the long here? I'm FOMOing. FOMOing. You don't take I don't take the long there. This is not even the criteria. We did not close above that high. We didn't. We failed. So I should expect this low to be taken out. That's a failure. This low is still intact. We get back down here. I should either enter here and trust here. And then if you just look what's in that area, man. Come on. Now watch. I enter again. I see liquidity sitting there. Bang. Stop me out again. Look, I say take a break. And then what do? I lied. I didn't take a break. Sat here, because now I'm trying to revenge trade. Because look, watch what happens. The entire time, look, bang, look what happened. Exactly. Now my mind is clear. I know. Look at this. Now it's going to run that. So what do? I already know what I did. I FOMO'd in again. Look, FOMO'd in again. FOMO'd in again. Look, everything changed. I'm too dialed in. I'm too dialed in. Granted, this is short term demand. This is short term demand, but this the trade location. Boom, I go to break even. Now let's see what price does. Because in down, look, look, look at my face. Look at my face. Look, I know. Because I know. Honestly, this is high here on the 4K. Double bottom. Now watch. What do? FOMO again. Look, FOMO again. FOMO again, man. And guess what's gonna happen? Boom. Look, and this is where I lie again. You know what I'm doing in the background? Taking trades. I switched, and guess what happened? I switched to my other eval account. Right? Look at this whole time I'm back there BSing around. Look at that. And look what happened. My eval account, guess what I did? I hit that. I hit the TP on my eval account because I actually waited. Oh, that is where I went wrong. And then look at this. Now I'm fixated on longs, 150 and all this. Man, Where I went wrong. And now look at me. Now I'm just chasing. I see them stacking the orders, but I'm just doing everything against what I should be doing. And once again, look at this. Now I'm just full blown tilt mode. Look at my face. Look at this. I'm chasing. Just chasing because what I wanted to do, what I think it should do here. And it's not. And then watch. If I'm not mistaken, I think I'm gonna move my TP. Nope, I'm gonna get stopped out again. And I said it. I knew I was gonna get stopped out because it wasn't a good trade. And let's see what happens. Skip ahead. Look, that's a failure. It's probably gonna close below this. Look, bang, double bottom. Then guess what I do? Look what I do. Bang again. But look where I'm longing. I'm long in the top. Look, every time. Look at this. Look, aggressive again. Bang, stopped out again. And I keep saying I gotta chill. I really could have just two trades, man. I'm back good. Two 20-point trades, I'm good. Look, and look, look, because I'm so aggressive. I didn't get out, man. But that is where I went wrong. This is where I went wrong. And I will do better. I will. Ugh. Looking back now, it was just so idiotic of everything I did. Yeah, man. On that note, though, this is where I went wrong. I had to record myself doing this. I feel better now getting it all out my system. But this is the where I went wrong video.